继续来关心，伫咧美国德州中部水灾，到当时已经超过100个人死亡，故事庆利郡就84个人不幸过往。当局讲，目前也有几十个人下落不明。因若伫咧在地举办的夏令营，目前知影是已经有27个人死亡。因若气象预报是讲，当地也会继续落大水雨，甚至这山顶的水可能会一个手全咧撇落来，互救灾变甲更加困难。
搜救队的船伫咧串流的水内底继续找人。这段由德州阿尔帕索消防局伫 Facebook 影片表示，搜救队员伫咧上危险的大水当中，将2个泡伫一丛树的灾民救来，佮带到安全的所在。事实上，这是这摆德州中部大水救援人员遭无困境的状况，无论是官方救援单位，也是居民自组的志愿队。
You know, we have friends within the camp community who still can't find their daughters.
根据气象预报，这摆大水的重灾区科尔郡会有更较侪大雨甲雷击，有可能引起更较侪山洪爆发，也就是讲，安尼险境不利搜救。当局一直宣导已经部署警犬甲无人机伫咧水陆空搜救，当时接到通报有私人的无人机伫咧现场干扰，已经呼吁撤离。根据通报，伫南福克差不多40支电火条倒去。附近拢停电，基础设施严重受损。
They were up at 3:30 in the morning. They were trying to move to higher ground. This is the headwaters of the Guadalupe. When it comes into the North and South Fork, and so as those things develop, it develops very rapidly.
规密西哥边境小镇阿库尼亚内的消防队员，也有佛州甲瑞士安那州也派出救援队去德州协助。不过目前德州中部搁落雨，气象预报也发出警告，爱居民细致雨水可能会搁定起来。记者综合报道。